All right, we're gonna move the seat up. As far as it can go. Bring the seat back forward. All right. And then we're gonna pop these off. And then we're going to slide these out. All right. Now we're gonna pull the carpet back. We're going to pop these. Back. All right. You can move the seat all the way back. Tip the seat back. You want to cover your negative terminal just to prevent any accidents while being in a tight, closed area like this. All right, you're gonna loosen the positive. Once you have that loose, pop it off. Okay. And then you're gonna want to loosen this bracket right here. Bracket out. Take this bracket out as well. Alright, you're gonna come in with the new battery. You want to be careful because they're kind of heavy. That off. We're going to want to put that plate back first. really tight. Then we'll put this back on. Slide the battery back into it once it's a little tight. Go ahead and get it secure before you connect the terminals. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and place the positive. Go ahead and take that negative out. Place that negative on. And your battery is in. All right, you're gonna go ahead and put this breather cable back. There's a little hole right there. Pop it onto, and then just pop it into here. Make sure it's good on both ends. And that's about it. All right. All right, now you're gonna place this cover back in. Make sure you connect the AC vent. And then you're basically going to want to just do the whole process in reverse and you'll be good to go. So make sure you like and subscribe and leave some comments if you need some help.